Hola amigos, Mr. Briggs here bringing you the Spanish word of the day. Today's word is the word sick in Spanish. And by the way, I have an important announcement to make right at the end of the video. I may be making a face reveal tonight on CNN en Español. Subscribe and check out the news at the end of the video. Okay, comencemos. When talking about being sick, if you're a male, you would say enfermo. And if you're a female, you would say enferma. If you're a male and you want to say I'm sick, you would say yo estoy enfermo. Like this guy. Yo estoy enfermo. Yo estoy enfermo. Now, if you're a female, then you would say yo estoy enferma. Yo estoy enferma. Enferma. He was sick. Él está enfermo. Él está enfermo. These phrases are very important if you ever have to see a Spanish doctor when visiting, let's say, a Spanish country. This would be very useful. Enfermo. Él está enfermo. She is sick. Ella está enferma. Ella está enferma. It's like the word infirm, enferma. Okay, we're going to see some examples using the past tense, using the word enfermo. Él estaba enfermo. He was sick. Él estaba means he was enfermo, sick. Él estaba enfermo. Repeat after me. Él estaba enfermo. Ella estaba enferma. She was sick. Ella estaba enferma. She's talking to a doctor via Zoom, I think. Ella estaba enferma. Enferma. ¿Estás enfermo? Are you sick? ¿Estás enferma? Are you sick, female? You can also ask, ¿te sientes enfermo? Do you feel sick? ¿Te sientes enferma? Do you feel sick, female? Enfermo. E-N-F-E-R-M-O. And don't forget this word ends with an A if you're talking about a female at the end. Okay, see if you can spell it. E-N-F-E-R-M-O. In English, this is spelled E-N-F-E-R-M-O. So you can also practice your spelling in Spanish. And by the way, for some reason you're feeling enfermo, enferma, I'm sending you all the love in the world so you feel better. I really appreciate each one of my subscribers, and I know that sometimes we all get a little bit sick, so sending you all the best, my dear amigos. Please cuídate, take care, look after yourself, rest a little bit. By the way, I'm going to be on CNN Spanish. Tonight we'll be recording a program with Don Francisco. I will be on the program Reflexiones as part of the audience. There'll be 12 people from around the world as part of the audience, and Mr. Briggs will do a face reveal with the iconic Mr. Don Francisco from Sábados Gigantes. So when I find out when the show is on air, I may post it in the community tab, so you'll see Mr. Briggs on CNN in Spanish. Okay, my dear amigos, please take care, look after yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao, ciao.